Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. In this video, I'd like to show you a video from the 23rd of May. I mean, I do cover Solana every day, but you know, when we are engaged in the day-to-day price action, you sometimes forget how long these corrections take and how well actually the Elliott wave method can help us to forecast price moves very, very accurately. So let's take a look actually at what we said we would do pretty much 2.5 to 3 weeks ago. And then we take a look at the updated chart. And then we are moving down now. That is my current assumption in a wave 5. In this wave 5, we've probably already completed the wave 1, probably already the wave 2, and we might now be in the wave 3. In this wave 3, we might be in a wave 1, 2, and the next leg down would be the wave 3 and 4 and 5 to complete this wave 3 here in white. So I move everything just over a little bit here because the price is moving on, just to indicate. And the thing is, it could very well be that we have we will have the same situation here. Okay, I don't want to make that too long, but what you have seen here is this 5-wave decline already outlined 2.5 to 3 weeks ago into the low 30s. Yeah, definitely with the idea to make a lower low compared to the wave 3 here in green. So let's take a look at where we currently are, and you can see on the 1 hour chart, let's go to the 1 hour chart actually, that we have done pretty much exactly that. So we have declined, we have declined as expected in a channel in this 5-wave decline down. And as I said in previous videos, we could count this 5-wave move as complete, and it would have perfectly completed this overall scenario. We made actually on a few exchanges a lower low compared to the wave 3 already, not here on the FTX chart. Very clearly, we have not yet made a lower low compared to the FTX chart. However, we have done that. I think on Coinbase we made a lower low, and there were a few other exchanges where we actually did that. That is a little bit of a problem with crypto, that some exchanges have different prices than others. So that is a little bit of a problem with regards to TA. But we always need to have an open mind. And yes, technically this 5-wave move to the downside could be complete, and we could now potentially expect a reversal back to the upside into a bull run. Do I believe it? No. I'm not very confident in this, as outlined in previous videos, because while we can count this as complete, this 5-wave decline, which is an impulsive wave structure as per the Elliott wave method, what creates a problem here is that we at the moment don't have confirmation that the wave 5 is complete. And therefore, as long as we don't have confirmation that the wave 5 is complete, I'm going to count this here as 5 subwaves of the white wave 5. So in the end, that we have an extended wave 5, because as I outlined in previous videos, we could very well have an extended decline here, a very much extended decline that could take place and continue until Bitcoin has finally finished its correction. I think also with Bitcoin, we are on the right way, same with Ethereum and so on, but we haven't yet seen confirmation that the downtrend is over for these coins. And also here, we are lacking any bullish evidence on the Solana chart that the low is already in. Therefore, as long as we're not making higher highs and higher lows, we have to assume the downtrend is continuing. So my primary expectation, as also outlined here on this chart, is that we are going to follow the roadmap here further down. As I said in previous videos, there's a chance the wave 2 here is already finished and we're already in the wave 3 down of the wave 5. Alternatively, we might see a little bit more upside here in this wave 2, and then we'll come down. And that is pretty much what we don't know. This is what we need to see. This is just what the price needs to show us. And I think price action above the previous swing high here at 41.80 would for me confirm that the wave 2 isn't complete yet, and that we will see higher prices to complete the wave 2 here in pink. A move below the wave 1 low here at 35.62 would confirm to me that the wave 1 is done, the wave 2 is done, and that we are moving down here in a wave 3. So this is just what we need to see in this range, how this is unfolding. But primary expectation is that we are going to break here the wave 1 low, 35.62, and will head even lower. My view would change if we move above, as I said before, significantly move above 48.41 in a bullish move, in a 5-wave impulse to the upside. Because that would imply that would imply that the overall downtrend is over and that we are moving back into an uptrend. So that would be useful. Even better would be a move above the wave 2 high here at 54.54. So these are sort of the two levels to the upside that we would need to break. Important level is 48.41. That would be first confirmation that the downtrend is indeed over, or at least the first indication. And yeah, I think next indication would then be 54.54. That is the wave 2 high here. But as long as we don't see that, yeah, as long as the chart is so weak, it is for me still more likely that we are heading further down. I'm not very confident into a bullish scenario here. I mean, there is one, we can certainly count this bullish as well. And we would need to see here an impulsive move up, something like that, a 5-wave move to the upside. And therefore, I'm saying we need to see decisive price action above $48 and 41, which we are far away from. Honestly, we are still here in this sort of channel to the downside. Again, also showing that probably the downtrend isn't over yet. And what needs to happen next for the bears is really to move below that 35.62 level. So at the moment, this is all unfolding as expected. In terms of where would I expect now this overall decline to end, it's really hard to say, but it needs to be below the wave 3 low in green. And what we can calculate is the target for the wave 3 here in pink. Based on the assumption the wave 2 might already be finished here in pink, what we can do, we take the Fibonacci extensions and then we can calculate the target for the wave 3. Now that would take us to $24. Yeah, $24. And then we would still need to wait for the price target for the wave 5. Now we can really only calculate that as soon as we know where the wave, where the wave 3 is ending, or when the wave 3 has ended, we can start to calculate wave 5. At the moment, it's pretty much just, it would be very inaccurate. Yeah, but I think where we eventually will find support will be around the $20 mark. I think this is for me sort of the target that I've been highlighting for a while, where I think we are going to end this overall correction. The reason for that is, first of all, the Fibonacci extensions, which sort of point into that region, but also the fact that back in 2021, we had quite a lot of support here around the $20 to $21 mark, sort of in June, May, and July 2021. So yeah, and so far Solana following the plan, and we just follow it, and as soon as I see bullish confirmation here that we are reversing back to the upside, of course I will make you aware on this channel. And so hopefully you like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.